We get more rumors of what to expect for the Google Pixel 3 and 3 XL along with some renders. LG explains why AT&T ditched the LG G7 ThinQ, and apparently the notch had everything to do with it. And if you have an essential phone, don't worry, it's not going obsolete anytime soon. I'm Jaime Rivera, and pre-recording is the way to go, as again, I record in a country, edit in another, and then post from another. This is Pocketnow Daily. The official news today begin with deals as buy one get one frees continue from T-Mobile, and this time not just by one manufacturer or variant. You can get the LG G7 ThinQ, you can get the Galaxy S9, you can get the iPhone X. There is a list of devices out there, and obviously there is a catch like with everything, but you can learn more about it in the description. Now let's talk about Nokia and HMD. Usually I don't cover software updates, but this one is in order. I really like what HMD has been doing for Nokia, how they've revived the brand, and they're doing it smart. I mean, Android One is their way to go, and now they've confirmed that Android P is going to be available for every single one of their Nokia phones. Why? Because none of their phones are more than 2 years old. I find that to be really cool. You can learn more about details and everything in the description as well. Now let's talk about Essential, as we heard rumors that the company was looking for investors or probably selling or whatever. For those of you that currently own an Essential phone, don't worry. The company has just confirmed on Twitter that you will be getting software updates for the next 2 years, and there will be security patch updates for up to 3 years. There was no word over PH2 coming or what things will happen over time. We just hope that the company remains, and we hope that they bring another Essential phone at some point. Now, for those of you wondering why AT&T and LG didn't work together to bring the G7 ThinQ, it turns out that the company actually wanted an upgrade to the V30 because they wanted an OLED display that provided better color and contrast for their DirecTV services, and they wanted the experience to be uninterrupted by a notch. So it seems that carriers actually don't feel as well about the new design changes and choices that have been brought by smartphone OEMs. Thank you, AT&T. Hopefully you continue doing that going forward. And finally, the most interesting news today have to do again with the Google Pixel 3, Pixel 3 XL. There are renders of what to expect. For those of you wondering why we're getting a notch, according to the news source, we're getting dual cameras at the front for reasons we don't understand, as again, portrait mode is really good right now on the Pixel 2 as it is. Apparently there will be dual firing stereo speakers at the front that could be using that whole notch as well, and hopefully, I'm sure there will be a chin here, so it makes sense for them to add, the speaker there. I wonder why other companies don't do that. Snapdragon 845 from Qualcomm is well powering the show, and apparently it will be a Verizon exclusive again. In today's question, let us know, look at the renders, let us know what you think about this design. Do you like where Google is going, or do you hate the fact that it's following ship? Because in my case, I'm still mixed, but I'd love to know your opinion in the comments down below. Friends, again, if you want to get the news earlier, follow us on Pocketnow.com and subscribe to our channel by hitting this button up here. You can watch yesterday's Pocketnow Daily up here, and our thoughts on the OnePlus 6 camera down here. You can also follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We will see you tomorrow.